Ever tried to add a page border in Word Mobile and realize the feature just doesn't exist? Yeah, same here. But don't worry, I found a super simple trick to fake a page border, and it actually looks clean and professional. Let me show you. So first things first, open your document in Word Mobile. Now go to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. After that, tap on Shapes. You'll see a bunch of shape options there. What we need is the rectangle shape. Go ahead and select it. Once you add the rectangle, just drag it and resize it so it fits perfectly along the edges of your document page. Take your time here. Adjust it neatly so it looks like a real border. Okay, once the size and position look good, we need to remove the inside color. Tap on the shape, then open the Fill option and choose No Fill. This will remove the background color and leave only the outline. Next, open the Outline menu. From here, you can choose any color you like. Black is the safest and most professional, but feel free to get creative. And that's it. Your document now looks like it has a proper page border, even though Word Mobile doesn't officially support it. Oh, and if your document has multiple pages, no problem. Just copy the rectangle you made and paste it onto each page. Super easy. See, no complicated tricks, no extra apps, just a simple workaround that works beautifully. So, next time someone says you can't add page borders in Word Mobile, you know the secret. Don't forget to try it yourself, and if this helped you, imagine what other hidden tricks you might be missing.